Hi everyone, my name is Rehan, and we have created a one-stop shop for creating your course, your book, your presentation video, all in one package in our studio. What we want you to do is we want you to just come in, fly in for 2 days, prepare your course, send it to us before you come, and then we'll record your entire course. We will record your presentation video. We will then publish a small booklet around it, give you the first draft, and create the entire course for Udemy or any other online platform that you wish for. We'll give you the content, but we can also publish it for you on Udemy and YouTube for you. This entire package is available for $3,000. You can just come in and we'll do everything for you. It's a one-off deal. It's a fantastic offer. We typically charge double that price, but if you come in, we can do this all for you. We have recently created this platform, but we have been doing this for the last 10 years for different platforms online, and you can use our expertise to become an extremely influential teacher online and take advantage of this expertise that we have. You come into Karachi in Pakistan, you come in and stay with us in a nice 5-star hotel, and then you come into our studios, you have this recorded. Everything is done very quickly. So I hope that you will book a time with us and then come in and take our expertise for your Udemy course online and your book online.